Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the innovative Foxydry Vivo ironing board, a game changer for your laundry routine. This active ironing board features a heated surface with suction and blowing functions, designed to reduce your ironing time by up to 50% while delivering professional results. The heated surface ensures steam stays warm, softening fabric fibers for a smoother finish, while the suction function allows steam to penetrate multiple layers, preventing moisture residue and unwanted odors. The blowing function is perfect for delicate garments, letting you iron on an air cushion to avoid pressure marks and secondary wrinkles. With its height-adjustable design, sturdy steel and aluminum construction, and convenient wheels, the Foxydry Vivo is both lightweight and easy to store. It comes complete with a machine-washable cover, cable holder, and iron rest, making it suitable for all types of irons. Plus, you can opt for the integrated stainless steel steam kettle and professional iron, featuring a feather-light design for effortless ironing sessions. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.